Hello, welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problem. Let's review our previous solution first. We created three functions to present our problem. Print variable prints out the information about the variable. Display problem from file, display the text of a problem from a text file. And present problem, it's our main function, it calls the other two, presents everything about the problem, the text of the problem, the variables, and the formula all coming from this tuple that we created. These three functions will be useful to solve many other problems, similar with the one we are solving now. I will show you how to create a module to store these functions such that we can use them in other programs in the future. Think of this module as some sort of a library that allows other programs to borrow a function the same way a patron will borrow a book from a library. A module is also a file with extension .py. I will create this module with the name coding everywhere library.py. So I will create here a new file and I will save it as coding everywhere library.py. Okay, so the file is saved, and right now I will take these functions from my program, cut, and I will move them into this other file, and I will save it. Okay, so now I have my library, and I need to write a line of code here to borrow. So what do I need to borrow? I need to borrow the present problem functions from here to borrow it to use it later. So I will say from coding everywhere import present problem. So what I'm saying, go to the coding everywhere library, our module, and import present problem. So I'm going to the library and picking a book, similar with what a patron is doing. And then present problem here, it's like reading the book that we borrowed it. So now our code is much simpler. We have the library with the functions. We are importing the functions that we want. We have the object. We are calling the function. We are getting the variable and solve the problem. I will save this file and execute it. Again, I should have the same result as in the previous tutorial. So solution.py, the same result, but now I have a program that is easier to read. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.